Hello, my name is Syed Muhammad Anwar and this is my house.
My name is Zareen Anwar. I just shifted in this house last in March and welcome to my home.
Through Renopedia, I got the ID gallery. Before I engaged the ID gallery, at least 8 company I have been searched and I have taken the quotations, and after all sort it out, and then I shortlisted to ID gallery. ID gallery I chosen because of the giving me quite support and my idea of understanding.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.